Welcome to Successful Entrepreneurs, the ultimate destination for aspiring entrepreneurs and small business owners looking to make their mark in the world of entrepreneurship and business. From hobby to business, discover how passion can fuel your entrepreneurial journey. We help you transform love into livelihood. We believe that everyone has the potential to achieve greatness, and our mission is to inspire and empower you on your entrepreneurial journey. Are you a beginner just starting out in the world of entrepreneurship? Or perhaps you're a small business owner looking for expert guidance to take your ventures to the next level? Meet professionals who've turned their passions into thriving businesses. Our channel is here to provide you with valuable insights, practical tips, and step-by-step tutorials to help you navigate the challenges and seize the opportunities that come your way. Learn the fundamentals of entrepreneurship. From business plans to marketing strategies, from generating innovative ideas to building a strong brand, we guide you through the process step by step. Our videos cover a wide range of topics that are essential for your entrepreneurial success. With focus on the real-world experiences and actionable advice, we aim to equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to thrive in today's competitive business landscape. Discover the power of networking. Building strong connections can open doors to opportunities that can skyrocket your business. Join our community of like-minded go-getters, where you can engage, share ideas, and learn from fellow entrepreneurs. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos uploaded once a week. Remember, success is not a destination but a journey. Let's embark on this exciting adventure together and turn your entrepreneurial dreams to reality. Welcome to Successful Entrepreneurs, your go-to source for inspiration and empowerment in the world of entrepreneurship and business.